Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion. Yeah.
A carpenter builds, assembles, installs, and repairs fixtures and structures that are usually made of wood. A carpenter may also work with other materials such as plastic, fiberglass, or drywall. In addition to formal and on-the-job training, certain soft skills or personal qualities will contribute to an individual's success in this occupation. Physical fitness and good manual dexterity, hand-eye coordination and balance are of the utmost importance. A carpenter must be detail-oriented and good at solving problems. Several paths exist for those pursuing this trade. The most common way is to obtain a TVET qualification or an apprenticeship that includes technical and paid on-the-job training. Most carpenters work full-time, and overtime is often required to meet deadlines. A significant amount of carpenters in the industry are self-employed and subcontract for bigger companies in construction. There are some dangers and discomforts that come with this career. Carpenters do work that is very physical. They must lift heavy materials and spend a lot of time on their feet or kneeling. They are also frequently in cramped spaces and often have to stand on ladders. It is not a surprise then that those who work in this occupation have a high rate of injuries that include falls, cuts, and strained muscles. Job prospects for carpenters, especially those with the most training and skills, is expected to be good for the next several years. The demand for carpentry services is expansive, and the need for the trade will be high for some time. An experienced carpenter can become a carpentry supervisor, a general construction supervisor, or a project manager. You too can live your passion and qualify as a carpenter. If you are self-motivated, inquisitive, willing to learn on your own, and have a deep interest in carpentry, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.